My YouTube channel needs a makeover. EricWalther.com needs a makeover. EricMichaelShow.com needs a makeover. Your face needs a makeover. Hey! That's not very nice. My life needs a makeover. Therefore, we must go back to the beginning.
It's too dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Link is here, ready for the fight. No, not that far back. So, I have finally hit 50 upload videos on YouTube. Woo! And it feels good. But yes, my channel definitely needs a makeover. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. And that means that I've almost hit 1 year for my channel since I've been uploading on the average about once a week. But shame on me, I haven't even been following my own advice. I've learned so much. I know so much about what to do and what not to do when starting a YouTube channel or a business online or joining a multi-level marketing company, whatever it may be. Unfortunately, I've been guilty of just being a student, absorbing more and more material and putting it on the shelf for later instead of actually doing the daily activity that'll bring me income. So don't do that! Therefore, a big part of my YouTube channel makeover is going to be incorporating all that I have learned over this last year so that my channel can finally skyrocket like it's supposed to. Like it was meant to. And that is exactly why I am so adamant about my turning one day into day one. So let's turn your one day into day one. Seriously, I have taken so many classes, read so many books, been to so many events, and done so many online challenges. I know so much! Yet I've just been putting it on the shelf for later, for one day. Don't do that! I am guilty of not being consistent and not coming out with my show on a consistent or at a consistent time every week. I do try to upload on Fridays, but even there, I have failed to keep that schedule. I'm guilty of not doing my keyword research before I press record. Basic stuff, I know, right? I'm guilty of not following the advice on thumbnails. I'm guilty of not doing the proper research on which tags to use, meaning which tags are working well for related videos. Man, I'm even guilty of not using TubeBuddy. Hardly at all. And I paid for the pro version. What have I been doing this last year? So that is why today I'm going to give my channel a complete makeover. I'm going to use TubeBuddy to help improve my SEO score for my channel in general and each individual video, since I didn't do this beforehand like I'm supposed to. Learn from my mistakes. Don't let this be you, because now I got to go through all 50 of my uploads, go through the descriptions and the tags and everything again to make sure I am set up for success and set up the best way for SEO. I've also got to make sure that my default settings are set up so that I can upload my videos in the most efficient way and not waste time. Oh, and if you don't have TubeBuddy yet, I am an affiliate for them. So I will include my link in the description below. If you do click on it, I may earn a small commission. So just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. But yes, TubeBuddy is great and can definitely help with your SEO on your YouTube channel. So I highly recommend. Another one that's very similar is vidIQ. I haven't used them myself, but I have heard it's really similar. So for whatever reason, if you don't like TubeBuddy, you can go with vidIQ. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. So if you like anything about my channel, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about me. I really appreciate you guys, and I could not grow without you. So please help a brother out. Hit that like and subscribe button. It just takes a second, maybe two if you hit both of them. And I really appreciate it. Help spread the word about the Eric Michael Show and Eric the Tech Mind. And I'll see you on the next video.
you're going. Come back here.